So this is the first time I get to wash my Jeep, so you guys notice it's pretty dirty. Um, I checked a couple of good washing tips, but besides that, I'm just gonna wash it. This is probably everything that I'm thinking I'm gonna use. I do have my blow dryer. You'll probably see in a bit what I'm gonna do with it. I got some towels, some glass cleaners, some product stuff, tire, and wash. I've used this on my other car, but I don't really like it. But we'll just have to do because I already purchased it. But this is kind of some of the stuff I'm going to use for today. And most important, I really think I'm going to need this ladder here. So let's get started. Once again, this is like the first wash that I'm going to do on this car. So let's see how long it takes me. I'm hoping it only takes me about 30 minutes, but I doubt it's going to take me 30 minutes. All right, guys. This is how much you really like your Jeep if you do all this. And since I'm up here, I get to test out this Ford Runner roof rack and see how much stuff can actually go up here. But yeah, if you spend more time washing your car than taking a shower, I don't know if that's a good thing, right? Well, a bubble bath, not a shower, because I take quick showers, but bubble baths. This is the one thing I did not expect to be doing when I owned a Jeep or a 4x4 vehicle. I didn't think about the washing and the maintenance part of it. I just thought about like taking it off the road and having fun with it, but I didn't think about all this, which is not the funnest, but after it's done, just want to take it out for a ride. And then you take it out and then it's all dirty again and you have to do this all over again. All right. Little people problems. I think I got it. You sure? I think I got it now. One more time. Okay, now time for sprint tire. Wow. It's as good as it gets. Good as how much. Is that the tire? Oh, look, put it. Can you hear it? What is it called? MASR? RS?
ASMR.
ASMR, guys, while washing your car. Can you hear that? Sizzle. ASMR. Can you hear that? The beauty of having glossy tires. Well, satin tires. Because I don't like glossy. Satin. We're pretty much done with the outside. I mean, unless you have a lot of money to take to go get a wash, which I'm sure something like this is not going to cost you 20 bucks.
I don't even spend more than 10.
Yeah, me either. I think I'm almost done with the exterior. almost. I mean, I think I could have done a little bit of better job, but honestly, the sun's already going down, and it doesn't help because it's a little on the colder side now. It takes a while to dry up a little bit more now, but I think it's looking pretty good. Makes me feel good when I'm looking at it outside the window of my house, especially since this is not my daily driver. I can't afford to drive this around every day, and if you can't afford to drive this every day, then good for you. I guess for some people have motorcycles, jet skis, Can-Ams. Some people might own horses and they go and, ride them. So I guess that would be kind of like that. It's like me having a horse, I guess. Just a pretty expensive horse. Just kind of like one of those weekend things. But I did work really hard and saved up quite a bit of money for this. But a lot of people, I'm guessing, they do when they buy those toys. I feel like I'm almost done. I've been saying that for like the past 30 minutes or so. I'm pretty much done with the outside. I think I'm almost done with the exterior. Almost. I feel like I'm almost done. I've been saying that for the past 30 minutes or so. But I think I'm almost done this time. Just getting all this dust out. For now.
Looks pretty clean to the camera.
Does it? Alright guys, so I'm finally done. I think it only took like 2 hours and like 15-20 minutes. You probably can't even see anything right now, or I don't have any light, but this is what we'll do. I actually will drive somewhere, find a spot where it's well lit, and then we'll check out the car. And then I actually want to show you guys a couple things. So let's get going.